Welcome to number 13 Queen Elizabeth Road. It's a mid-terrace, 3-bedroom property located close to local amenities. It is in need of some modernisation but has lots of potential, has front and back